This is the world's thinnest folding phone. Well, not really, as for some reason different colors have different sizes, but anyway, welcome to the Perfect Perception channel, and today we are reviewing the Honor Magic V5, which is the phone I use as my daily phone. I have a lot of positives, but also some negatives. So let's begin with the review. To address the elephant in the room, yes, it is very similar to the iPhone's operating system, but considering I switched from an iPhone to this phone, I'm not complaining at all. Camera-wise, if you plan on using the large screen selfie camera, then forget it.
Bruh.
Okay, it's not that bad, but the front camera when it's folded, and especially the back camera, are way better. The customization options are very good, and they focus on eye comfort modes a lot, so if you struggle with headaches from using devices, then this phone should help with that. As you can see, I have a case on mine with a magnetic ring and a stand which doesn't really work. Anyway, the battery life is extremely good. It lasts me the whole day, so I don't have to worry about charging it. A frustrating thing is that I cannot change the volume of the phone when it is locked, which isn't ideal when you were on TikTok a couple minutes ago, and now you want to open your phone in a quiet area. Yes, this has happened to me, and yes, it was awkward. This phone has an IP58 and IP59 rating, making it highly resistant to dust and water, a significant achievement for a foldable phone that can handle splashes, rain, and even brief submersion. The software is extremely smooth, and the multitasking modes are very easy to activate as they are always on the bottom left of your main apps bar. So overall, I am extremely happy that I own this phone as the positives outweigh the negatives. Good camera, great battery, great software, cheaper and better in many ways than competitors, and 7 years of OS and security updates. So for me, it is an obvious choice in recommending this phone. What do you think of this phone, and would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.